Hello students, welcome to Nankishore Classes Science channel. In this today's video, we are going to see IUPAC part 2. In our previous video, we have discussed how to select the longest carbon chain, how to write the substituent's name, etc. etc. In today's video, we are going to deal with functional group. Students, we are going to deal with functional group. Functional groups. Now, what are these? See, functional group determines the chemical properties of a compound. Functional group are those compounds. Those compounds which determines the chemical property of a compound. Clear, guys? Okay. So functional group are those group of atoms or compound which determines or defines the chemical reactivity and the properties of a compound. For example, students, suppose I have this type of compound having OH as a functional group. This is a functional group. What this means? This is an alcohol functional group. If this is present in a compound, we can say that whole compound will behave as a alcohol, or you can say all the properties of alcohols will match with this compound also, because it's containing OH functional group as a functional group. That is why. So functional group only define the chemical activity, and they are so much important. So we need to know how to write name of them. So student, listen. First of all, the rule is to give minimum position to our functional group. So naming should be done from the left side. Numbering should be done from the left side 1, 2, 3, because functional group should be given minimum position. Dear student, functional group should be given minimum position to in a compound. So like this, we can say that at the position of one carbon, OH is attached. So how we will going to write the name? First of all, we will write prefix. Hence, here nothing substituents are present. None of the substituents are present like chlorine, bromine, iodine or alkyl group. So our main functional group root word will become, for 3 carbons, our root word will be prop, because all carbon-carbon bonds are single bonded. So we'll write in. After that, coming to the functional group point. So at the suffix, we write name of functional group, and the name corresponding to OH recommended by IUPAC is all. The suffix name which we have to use in writing the name of compound, it is all. So we'll write all at one position. But dear students, sometimes this E and O, when two vowels are coming, at that time we neglect E and we can simply write it as propanol. Simply 1. Propanol 1. This is also a correct name, and this is also a correct name. Okay, dear students, let me give you an example. Suppose you are having compound like this. Okay, sorry dear students, suppose you are having this compound and you have to write name of it. So how you are going to do numbering and the naming? So dear students, many students do mistake. They number, first of all, always remember at vertex point there is a carbon. At every vertex point or every corner point there is a carbon. So I have written all the carbons. There are 4 carbons. So some students take this thing very hardly and they do numbering like this 1, 2, 3. They forgot or they mislead the concept that we have to select longest carbon chain. They always only remember that we have to give minimum position to the OH or the functional group. But this is not there. We have to use our first rule in the first thing, which is select the longest carbon chain here. And what will be the longest carbon chain, beta? It will be, sir, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 membered carbon chain will be longest chain here. And for numbering it, we will do numbering like 1, 2, 3, because from if you start numbering from here 1, 2, 3, at that case OH will get 3, but in this numbering OH will get 2, and we have to give minimum position, not the first position. See, minimum position you have to give, not the first position. That is why that numbering will become wrong. Clear? Okay, sir. So here are 4 carbon atoms. So you're using but as a word root, and then ane, because all bonds are single bond, and sir, 2 all we can write. But this is not correct, dear. Whenever 2 vowels are coming, we'll remove the previous vowel, or you can say e. So it will be like but and, oh sorry, not e. We'll write butane 2 all, or you can say write butanol 2. Butanol 2. Clear, guys? So this is how you have to number. Clear? So I'm giving you some homework to do. Let me write like you are having, guys. I'm giving you a small question like this. Okay, sir, this is not small. No problem. If you face any difficulty, you can contact to this number, or you can write it on comment section. Suppose, and the second question is, you are having this question. So students, this is question number 1 and this is question number 2. So do comment the answer, correct answer, and compare with those students who have given the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in second video. Till then, Jai Hind to everyone.